Crunchy Clean friends, if you've seen me talk about Thieves Concentrated Cleaner for years and years and years, it's because it works fantastic. There's a reason that this will replace every cleaning solution that you currently use. Everything from glass cleaner, stainless steel, wood cleaner, leather cleaner, all-purpose cleaner, oven cleaner, marble, granite, tile. It's safe on every surface. Every surface. Literally, you just need one bottle to clean everything. I have customers that buy it from me because I'm a distributor. I've been using this product since 2017 for my home and my green certified cleaning business. I have customers who use it in their carpet cleaning machine. Instead of carpet cleaning solution, they use Thieves Cleaner, and it works amazing. I have used it to take wrinkles out of my laundry when it comes out of the dryer. I use Thieves Cleaner as an air freshener because it smells so good. I mean, literally, you will replace everything. You don't believe me? I can send you a sample. I have helped hundreds of cleaners convert to eco-friendly cleaning, and Thieves Cleaner is one of their favorite products to use because it's so versatile. It can be used on so many surfaces. It gets a B rating by the Environmental Working Group, which is a great rating for a plant-based cleaner. And the best part is it's a concentrate. So you just mix it with water and it comes out to under 40 cents a bottle. A 30-ounce bottle of cleaner that you will make from the concentrate will come out to under 40 cents. No other cleaning solution is 40 cents. None. Method, Myers, 7th generation, Lysol, Fabuloso, Pine Sol, any of them. Even the ones that are handmade too, other cleaning products. I use many other cleaning products too from other small businesses that make them because I like to support other small businesses. But Thieves Cleaner will always be my number one go-to. First off, because of how effective it is, how versatile, and the cost. 40 cents a bottle is what I'm making it. I buy the concentrate and then I add it to water. That's it. So yeah, I've been talking about this product for years and years and years, and I will continue to rave about it because it's that good. And if you'd like to try a sample, let me know. I can send you a sample pack to try. I am a distributor, so I will put my link down below. So when you buy from me, I will earn some commission. So thank you very much. It will help me. It's amazing. So I want everyone to realize how great of a cleaning product this is. Eco-friendly, great to use around kids and pets. Smells really nicely. And then I also like to add hydrogen peroxide to my Thieves Cleaner to make it disinfectant, or an isopropyl alcohol with the Thieves Cleaner to make it disinfectant. And then I have another bottle where I add vinegar to it to make it acidic so that it makes an amazing oven cleaner and glass cleaner for the shower. So it's great. Word of warning, Young Living does not sell through third parties. They do not sell on Amazon or eBay or any other websites like that. They only sell legitimately through youngliving.com. So if you try and buy it off of Amazon or eBay or another website, you may not be getting the real thing. There's no guarantee. I am a Young Living distributor, so I have a Young Living link. So when you buy it through my link, you are getting the seed to seal guarantee and a money back guarantee, and you know it's authentic. Or if you know me personally in the area and you want to buy it directly from me, you could do that as well because I am a Young Living distributor. Use my link down below. If you have any questions, I have lots of videos showing how to use it. And check out just some of the happy reviews throughout all the years with Thieves Cleaner. My link down below, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy.